students, welcome back in today's mathematics class. Today we are going to start a next exercise for chapter 14, that is 14.2. And in this exercise, we have very important concept. And please understand it carefully, because while doing the exercise question, you have to be more vigilant and focused on the figures, right? So let's start the introduction about this exercise question. What concept we are using in this exercise? The concept we have in this exercise is rotational symmetry. Symmetry everyone know, right? But here is rotational symmetry. As the name suggests, rotational. It means you will rotate the given figure. Okay. So exactly what is rotational symmetry? When you are rotating any figure into 360 degree. अब 360 डिग्री का मतलब क्या है स्टूडेंट, कि वो जहां से शुरू हुआ इट एंड्स विद द सेम पॉइंट ओनली. 360 degree means one complete angle from where it has started and it has ended at the same point only, right? That is called rotational symmetry. When we rotate any given figure in an angle of 360 degree, right student? See, I am explaining you this concept with the help of one example. See, suppose this box. This figure I am having, this is a rectangular shape, right? I am making over here on the board, so it is a rectangular shape. So it is a rectangular shape. So at the starting point, it is at 0 degree point, okay? When I have rotated into a 90 degree, 90 degree everyone knows, right? Perpendicularly, then its shape will be in this manner, right? It is at 90 degree. Now, 90 degree के बाद after that which angle? 180, right? When after 190 I have rotated into 180 degree, so the shape will be in this manner, right student? So this is 180 degree, the shape is this. After 180 it will be 270 degree angle. So when I rotate it 270 degree angle, so the shape is this, right student? The shape will be in this at 270 degree. And after that, at 360 degree, the shape will be same. It means variation symmetry means when you rotate the given figure till 360 degree. Right, student? This is called rotational symmetry. Now one term is there, order of symmetry. कि इस given figure की order of symmetry क्या है? Student, order of symmetry means when you are rotating the figure, how many times we are getting the same figure. See. When 360 degree, shape is this. 90 degree, no. When it is at 360, the shape is just similar to 360 degree only, right? And 270 degree, no. It means 2 times we got the same figure, right? So it means the order of symmetry for this figure is 2. Got it, student? Order of symmetry means when you are getting same figure, how many times we are getting the same figure, right? So 2 times we got the same figure, so order of symmetry for this is 2. Got student? I am giving you one more example. In the place of square, if I take square, student see, square, you know, every side is same. Rotational symmetry we have to find out. So 4 times we have to rotate till 360 degree. So for that, I am taking one point P over here. So that it gives you idea that till 360 degree you have to rotate. Although there is an effect on the figure, right? This is only for the idea in the rotation symmetry, right? This is a square. This is 0 degree. When you rotate at 90 degree, right? The figure will same, but P will come here, right? Now this is 90 degree, then 180 degree, figure will same, but P will come here. Then 270 degree, P will come here. Now at 360 degree, again P will come here only. It means we have done the total 360 degree rotation. Okay, this P point is only for your idea only. This is the rotational symmetry for this figure, square figure. Now order of symmetry. What is order of symmetry, student? Order of symmetry is 4. Why? Because every time we are getting the same figure. Now you will say, ma'am, P is not at the same position. See student, P is only for your idea. It doesn't affect on the figure, right? But the shape is square. So when you are rotating the square in any angle, It will remain same only. So the order of symmetry 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. So order of symmetry is 4. Got student? I hope you understood what is rotational symmetry and what is order of symmetry. You more understand with the exercise questions. Quickly start the exercise questions. Now student, coming to our question number 1, see. Which of the following figure have rotational symmetry of order more than 1? Rotational symmetry, when we rotate the figure at 360 degree, and then how many times we are getting the same figure. Start with first figure. See, this is a circle and one horizontal line, one vertical line we have. Why this cross? Cross means this is the center from where you are rotating the figure, right? For the sake of, I am making here one point P, right? This is a 0 degree angle. When we rotate it 90 degrees, student, when I rotate it, so P will come here, but the line is same. One is horizontal, one is, yes, vertical. Again, when I rotate 80 degree, P will come here, but one horizontal line, vertical line remains same only. And then 270 degree, P will come here, student. Again, one horizontal line, one vertical line, and at 360 degree, the P will come again here. And have you seen, student? Every time the figure is same, vertical line and horizontal line same we are getting every time. It means order of symmetry is 4. So it means A part is more than one symmetry we have. Right, student? Coming to our B part. Now when we rotate it, one we have base and opposite side we have vertex. Right? So only 2 times we rotate. How, student? Because only 3 sides we have. So 3 sides. At first time, this point will come here, right? Point will come here only, but the shape is same. Then, in next time, point will come here, but figure is same. And at 360, the point will come again at the top. It means how many symmetry are there? 3 symmetry, rotational symmetry. Right, student? And it is again more than 1. So, it means B part is also rotational symmetry more than 1. Getting, student? Now coming to our C part. Now when it is a 0 degree, when you rotate it 90 degree, so it will become like this. Not same. When you rotate it 180 degree, it will become like this. So it is similar? No. The faces are in different ways. See, here it is left side, here it is right side, but not same, right? When you rotate it 270 degree, so it becomes like this, again not same. And when we rotate at 360 degree, then it becomes same. It means how many rotational symmetry there is? 1 rotational symmetry only, because at one time only we are getting the same figure. Every time at every angle we are getting different figure. It means we have 1 order of symmetry here. So it is not more than 1, right? Coming to our H part, student. So this is the very first. When we rotate at 90 degree, then it becomes like this. So it is not same only. When we rotate at 180 degree, so it become, yes, like this. So it is same. When we rotate it 270 degree, then it become this. When we rotate it 360 degree, then again same. Right? Yes, same. So it means how many times we got same figure? 2 times. One this and this. It means 2 rotational symmetry. It means D part is also have a rotational symmetry more than 1. Got, student? So this is only your understanding how you are rotating the figure and you are getting the same figure. Right? So these 4 parts I have done. 2 more parts are there, E and F. So these parts are homework for you. You solve this question by your own in your notebook. And you will make the figures also. At 90 degree what figure? Form of images forming. Right, student? So this was about question number 1. Coming to our next question. To our question number 2, student. Again we have to tell the order of rotational symmetry. Obviously in rotational symmetry we have only one kind of question. Tell the order of symmetry. Right? Order of symmetry means how many times the figure becoming same. Right? The very first figure, have you seen, student, this? When you will rotate in 90 degree, you can do it in this manner. Ki square bana diya. Here is the point, 1 point. Okay. When you rotate at 90 degree, then it will not become same, because this will tilt like this. Okay, in this manner. Right? When you rotate in 180 degree, then it becoming same, because in this manner when you tilt it, तो ये थोड़ा सा और टेढ़ा होके in this manner it will tilt. Right, student? Now at 270 degree again it will resembling this figure only, and at 360 degree it becoming same. It means at 180 degree two times, at this time or this time 180 degree, when half 90 or 180 means half. जब इसको हाफ रोटेट किया, then we are getting the same figure, and at 360 degree. So how many times we got the same figure? 2 times. So the order of symmetry is 2. Right? Coming to this figure, cross is there. Up side is 80 degree angle. Up side 80 degree, so down side is also 80 degree, because this is a property vertically opposite angle that we will learn in class 7. Right? So when you rotate it, up and down 80 degree होना चाहिए. This keep in mind. When you rotate in this manner, x will this, so 80 80 left right में आएगा, not up down. Yes or no? When you rotate in this manner, right? In the third time when you will take, then वो आएगा ऊपर और नीचे, because once here and here, then here and here, then again 270 degree पे, again the angle will be in this and this manner. When rotate in 360 degree, then we come at same position, this only. It means how many times it has come same? 2 times. So the order of symmetry is 2. Right, student? One thing keep in mind, the figure should be same. Up and down 80 है, so 80 degree angle will be up and down. Right? Now coming to our C part. This is a triangle. Triangle, student, we have done equation number 1 also. How many order of symmetry? The figure will remain same. This base हो जाएगा, दूसरा vertex हो जाएगा. When you rotate it third side, ये base हो जाएगा, ये vertex हो जाएगा. It means order of symmetry is 3. Right? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a pentagon. It is a regular pentagon, because again one vertex, this base. When you rotate it, तो ये vertex यहाँ आ जाएगा. This base will become here only. So every time the face will same. Because it's a regular pentagon. Regular means all sides are same. So it means 5 sides. So it means order of symmetry is 5. These are tricks you can learn, so easily you can understand, because we need only how many order of symmetry is there. Okay. Now here, this you can see it is a square type. 1, 2, 3, 4. So square type, when you rotate it, this here, every time the face will become same only. So order of symmetry is 4. Right, student? So this was about A, B, C, D and E part. 2 more parts are there, F and G. Student, these parts are little bit understanding one. Means you have to be vigilant. This figure, when you rotate, which type of figure it will make. Right, student? And order of symmetry you have to tell when both the figure becoming in the same position, like same only. Right? So this was about our rotational symmetry, which is as simple as you will do. Okay, so with this question number 2, we have completed our exercise 14.2. Only 2 questions we were having in this exercise. And in this, always you have to tell the order of symmetry for the given figure. Right, student? So practice 4 questions which I have given you as a homework. Right? If you have any query, we will discuss in the Google Meet. So till then, thanks so much for watching, student. Bye-bye and take care.